Insurers have underscored the importance of wearing the right gear for riders on the road. As riders head out onto the roads, motorcycle insurance companies are reminded of the importance of wearing the right protective clothing. Riders are vulnerable to severe injury while riding normally, as well as in the case of a crash. As the riding season gets underway, motorcycle insurance companies want their policyholders to remember how to keep themselves safe as some of the most vulnerable road users. Riders face risks every day they're on the road. Moreover, while they represent a small percentage of the total number of vehicles, they also represent a disproportionately high percentage of the serious injuries and deaths from crashes. When a crash does happen, riders are at particular risk of impacts from contact with another vehicle, the road, other objects on the roadside, or even their own motorcycles. This doesn't include the wounds they suffer from sliding along the ground or from objects thrown by passing vehicles. Motorcycle insurance companies remind riders of the difference protective clothing can make. Though the risk of injury can't be eliminated altogether, insurers are reminding riders to take the right steps to reduce those risks starting early in the season. By wearing all the gear, all the time, riders can reduce the risk of suffering a severe injury if they are involved in a crash. This motto indicates that protective gear should all be worn regardless of whether a rider is headed down the street or halfway across the country. Many insurers recommend that riders check out the Motorcycle Clothing Assessment Program, also known as MOTOCAP website. Their rating system for riders' use is easy to understand regarding proper jackets, pants, gloves, and other riding gear. The idea is to give riders the ability to make informed decisions regarding the protection their gear has to offer when they head out. For first-time riders, motorcycle insurance companies recommend factoring in the cost of good quality, well-rated protective clothing into their investment in the bike itself. Moreover, insurers recommend that riders consider a policy that will cover not just the bike, but also the protective gear and medical coverage, or even an extra accident policy that pays disability benefits. Thank you for following LIN. Make sure to hit subscribe and sign up for our weekly newsletter today.